Good morning, students. Today start the fourth video of chapter 17, mensuration. Good morning, students. Today start the fourth video of chapter 17, mensuration. Exercise 17.4. Your first question. The adjoining figure shown a cubical block of wood through a circular cylinder hole of the biggest size is drilled. Find the volume of the wood left in the block. Look at the volume of the wood left, the volume of cuboid minus volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. Now length, breadth into height and value of the cylinder pi r square h. 70 into 30 into 30. Now pi 15 square into 70. Now cancel out the result is 7 10 ja 70. 10 multiply by 225 and multiply by 22. Results over here is 49,500. Here is 63,000 minus 49,500. Now answer is 13,500 centimeter cube answer. 13,500 centimeter cube answer. Question number 2. The adjoining figure as a solid trophy made of shining glass. In 1 cubic centimeter of glass cost rupees 0.75. Find the cost of glass for making the trophy. Diameter of the cylinder is equal to 28 centimeter. 2r equal to 28. R is equal to 14 centimeter. Now volume of the figure is equal to volume of cube plus volume of cylinder. Volume of cube A cube cylinder is pi r square s. Here 28 का whole of cube. Now 22.7 into 14 into 14 into 28. 7 2 is 14. Now multiply 22 into 2 into 14 into 20 is 17,248 plus 21,952. Answer is 39,200 centimeter cube. Cost of 1 centimeter cube of glass is equal to 0.75. Now cost of 39,200 centimeter cube multiply by 0.2. Answer is 29,400. Answer is 29,400. From a cube of is 14 centimeter, a cone maximum size is curved. Find the value of the remaining material. H is equal to 14, 2r is equal to 14, h is equal to 7. Here, this is your cube and cone is curved out here. Cone is the curved out here. Now volume of the cube is equal to volume of the cone. 14 cube minus 1/3 pi r square h. Now put here the value 27, 44, 1/3 22.7 into 49 into 14. 7 2 is 14. Now 22 into 49 into 2 22,156 upon 3. 2744 minus 2,156 upon 3 divided. Now 718.6. Answer is 2025.4 centimeter cube volume. Volume is 2025.4 centimeter cube. Now question 5. 16 glass sphere each of radius 2 centimeter are packed in a cubical box of internal dimension 16 into 8 into 8. Then the box is filled with water. Find the volume of the water filled in the box. Volume of water filled in the box. Volume of cuboid minus volume of sphere. Volume of sphere into 16. Length into breadth into height into 16 into 4 pi r cube. 16 into 8 into 8, now 16 into 4 by 3, 22.7 into 2 cube. 1024 minus 16 by 3, 4 by 3, 22.7 into 8. Now multiply and then divided here. So 536.38. 1024 minus 536.38 is equal to 487.62 centimeter cube. Question number 7. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm, base radius 3.5. Find the total surface area of the solid. Now total surface area equal to 2 pi rs plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi rs plus 4 pi r square. 2 pi r common bracket h plus 2r. Now put here the values of the pi and r and h. 2 into 22.7. 2 pi r bracket h plus 2r. Now put the value 2 into 22.7 into 3.5 bracket 10 plus 2 into 3.5. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. Here 7 5 is 35, 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. Now 22 multiplied by 17 is equal to 374 centimeter square. Now total surface area equal to 374 centimeter square. Question 11. An exhibition tent in the form of cylinder surmounted by a cone. The height of the tent above the ground is 85 and the height of the single part is 50 meter. If the diameter of the base 168 meter, find the quantity of canvas required to make the tent. Allow 20% extra for the fold and stitching. Now here 2r is equal to 168. 2r is equal to 168. R equal to 168 upon 2. Now r equal to 84. Now finding the value of first of all r. L equal to root 35 का स्क्वायर प्लस 84 का होल स्क्वायर. 1225 plus 7 56. 80 to 81 is equal to 91. Here is the 91 value of L. Now cut surface of a cylinder plus cut surface of a cone. 2 pi rs plus pi rl. Now pi r common bracket 2h plus L. Putting the value 7 to 12 is 84. 20 to 8, 2 into 12 equal to 264. 100 plus 91 equal to 191. Multiply 50,424 centimeter square. Now canvas required to make tent 50,424 into 20 upon 100. Now total surface area 50,424 plus 1,008.480. Now canvas required to make a tent meter square. Here write down here 50,424 plus stitching area of the stitching. Next question. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder and hemisphere at one end. Come at the other end, the common diameter is 3.5 and the height of the cylinder and the conical portion are 10 and 6 cm. Find the volume of the solid. A solid. Volume of the solid is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Now volume of the cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square, volume of the cylinder pi r square s, volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now put here the values 1 upon 3 into pi into 7 by 2 का whole square into 6. पाई 7/2 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 10, 2/3 पाई इंटू 7/2 का होल क्यूब. नाउ कॉमन पाई इंटू 7/2 का होल ऑफ स्क्वायर. नाउ ब्रैकेट 1/3 इंटू 6 प्लस 10 प्लस 2/3 इंटू 7/2. Here cancel out the 2 3 2 is 6, 2 plus 10 plus 7/3 bracket. Now 7/2 into 7/2, 2 11 ja 11 7 ja 77 upon 2. 12 plus 7/3. Now 77 upon 2, 36. 12 3 are 36 plus 7 43. 77 to 43 equal to 33. 11 upon 6. Volume of the solid is equal to 551.83 meter square. Okay children, this video is over.